One very nice feature in the calendar that I practice with multiple doctors can take advantage of is the board. Imagine that you have a computer sitting in the lab and you can put a device or a board that you can create a second monitor, but instead of actually putting on a second monitor, you put one big screen TV and you attach the second monitor on that computer to that TV. You could then select multiple doctors, and in Wise Option you create the calendar, and you can put the calendar to refresh every 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 60 seconds. And when you click here on this, first you would drag and drop this calendar, to the other monitor, which would be your board. I'm going to leave on this one for my demo. Once the calendar is on the second board, could be like we said, a TV or a monitor, a large monitor where doctors can just, when they're passing by and just look, the calendar just refreshed itself. But for that second monitor, you would use this button here on the corner, which is actually a larger, so it expands the view. I think this will fit very well up to 6 or 7 doctors if you have a practice with multiple doctors. So it's just an easy way for you to display the calendar for the doctors in the clinic so everyone knows what's going on, especially if you're using the statuses. So suppose that today the doctor on this one here, it's waiting. So just by looking at the, let me try to update this one here. It's just refreshed on me. All right, there you go. So, just looking at it, Dr. Susan, when passes by, see that this patient is on the front desk waiting for assistance. The board most definitely is going to be a pretty good friend for the doctors taking a look at their calendar on the go. So today you've learned how to explore the Wise Option calendar board in Wise Option. Thank you for watching.